The Shadow Dust and Fume collection system is a revolutionary design, the first plug-and-play ambient system to utilize proper ventilation for filtering air from welding fumes and other hazardous manufacturing emissions. Its unique design features an expandable inlet manifold that leverages the facility's thermal layer and sealing as a natural hood for capturing fumes. The system then pulls the contaminated air through its high-efficiency nanofiber filters using an integrated fan, delivering clean, safe air back into the workplace. Our patent-pending design is the most effective in the industry, ensuring the cleanest, safest air while achieving up to 70% energy savings in heating costs. Designed for flexibility, we developed the Shadow Ambient system to accommodate the ever-changing needs of manufacturing. Not all shops are designed the same. Welding areas can be scattered throughout a facility and may not be permanent. The Shadow Ambient allows workers to operate in one area and easily relocate the unit as production demands shift. Additionally, companies can scale their air filtration capacity by adding additional shadow units as they grow. This feature is particularly valuable for new or expanding manufacturers that don't yet require a full system, but will need additional coverage as their operations increase. Optimizing your facility's air filtration. Determining how many Shadow Ambient units your facility needs is easy. Each unit covers approximately 4,500 square feet of manufacturing space. Positioning a shadow unit in the center of a room allows it to pull from a circular area. Placing it against a wall doubles its effective filtration diameter. Positioning it in a corner quadruples the filtration diameter by utilizing adjacent walls. The Shadow Ambient arrives pre-assembled from the factory. The only setup required is connecting the variable length manifold and ensuring proper electrical and air connections. Installation takes less than an hour, making it a true plug-and-play solution. With the right number of Shadow Ambient units, your welding facility will become a cleaner, safer environment, one that your employees will thank you for.